Hello and welcome back to Happy Handicrafts, where together we learn useful arts, crafts, and skills. Today we're going to be making needle felted dryer balls from wool roving. Last video we made some dryer balls from a ball of wool. This is going to be a little different. Wool roving is a long sheet of wool that's been cleaned and carded but not yet spun into yarn. You'll notice that the fibers in our roving all go in the same direction, leaving us with a soft, fluffy mass that is perfect to make dryer balls out of. For this project, you're going to need the following: a kitchen scale, a felting needle, wool roving, a small amount of dish soap, water, and a dryer. You're going to start by measuring out 50 to 100 grams of wool roving on your scale. We wrapped ours into a ball, trying not to get it all twisted. You can see we still got it twisted, but not to worry, we're going to redo the ball once this step is done. Once you get to the goal weight, ours was 73 grams, we separated the wool. A quick hint, this is very difficult to do if you're holding your hands close together, so be sure to move your hands apart. It then separates very easily. Our final weight is 72. So now we have this fluffy cloud of wool. Start by wrapping it around 2 fingers. This is going to be the inside of the dryer ball, and you want it to be fairly dense. Once you have a few wraps around your fingers, pull it off and continue to wrap the wool. Untwist it as you go to keep a smooth, even ball. Once you've got all the wool wrapped, you're going to start felting it. Begin with the end of the wool so that it won't start to unravel, and continue around the ball evenly. Be patient and enjoy the felting. We find it very therapeutic. As you see, it will start to come together over the next 15 minutes or so. Once the fibers are nicely meshed together, run some water over your ball. Not too much, in fact you'll notice that the wool repels water. Add a very small amount of dishwashing soap and rub it around the ball. And then rinse it all off. Squeeze out any excess water and then throw it into the dryer for about an hour. When they come out, they should be perfectly felted dryer balls, ready to put in the dryer with your clothes and linen. And if you'd like to add a fresh scent, you could put on a few drops of essential oils when you add them to your laundry. It's a beautiful and healthy way to get clean, fresh linens without any of the toxins that come with dryer sheets. Weren't these so fun to make? I think they'd make some fantastic gifts or a great product to sell for any entrepreneur out there. Thank you for crafting with us today. I look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue our needle felting handicraft series.